Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the topic cell wall. So in our last video, we have discussed the topic fluid mosaic model of cell membrane, and today we will discuss the cell wall. So I told you that in case of plants, in case of algae, in case of fungi, and also in case of prokaryotes like bacteria, the cell wall, that is the second outer membrane. Second outer membrane means, suppose that is the diagram of the plant cell. So cell wall, that is the first outer membrane, and the plasma membrane, that is the second outer membrane. So there are the two outer membrane, the cell wall and the plasma membrane. So cell wall, it is the outer protective membrane, and the plasma membrane, that is the second protective membrane. So if we compare plants, animals and bacteria, so we can say in case of animals only the plasma membrane is present, but in case of plant, in case of bacteria, in case of algae and fungi, in addition to plasma membrane, cell wall is present. So what is the composition of this cell wall and what is the function of this cell wall? This cell wall is made up of different substance in different animals or in different organisms. The composition of plasma membrane is same. It is made up of lipids and proteins in animals as well as in plants and in the other organisms. But the composition of the cell wall that differ in different plants and bacteria, fungi and algae. So firstly, the function. The main function of the cell wall is protection. Protection means it protects the bacteria, it protects the plant from the adverse condition, from the harmful condition, and it also exerts a pressure on the cell membrane. Suppose if the water amount is more due to the rain, जो प्लांट्स को जो वाटर है अगर वो ज़्यादा हम सप्लाई करें तो क्या होगा? द सेल कैन ब्रस्ट, बट द सेल ऑफ प्लांट्स दैट नॉट ब्रस्ट, बिकॉज इन प्लांट्स देयर इज द सेल वॉल विच एक्सर्ट an equal pressure to the cell membrane. If the plant cell is in the hypotonic condition, means water amount is more, then the cell increase in the size, the cytoplasm of the cell that increase in the size, and it exert a pressure on the cell wall, and this cell wall exert an equal pressure on the plasma membrane, and by this there is the no bursting of the cell. So we can say the cell wall protect the plant as well as the bacteria from the adverse condition also, and due to the if the cell gain the more water, then it also protect the plant from the bursting. In case of bacteria, the 3 or the 4 layer of the cell wall protect the bacteria from the antibiotics, because the bacteria, they are the harmful for us also, they are useful for us, some are the disease causing bacteria. So due to the cell wall they are antibiotic resistant, एंटीबॉडीज़ जो हैं, एंटीबायोटिक्स जो हैं उनके ऊपर कोई भी इफ़ेक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगी. नेक्स्ट इज़ द मैकेनिकल डैमेज एंड इन्फेक्शन. सेल के ऊपर कोई भी मैकेनिकल डैमेज, बाहर से अगर कोई भी इंजरी हो जाती है या कोई भी मैकेनिकल डैमेज हो जाता है तो उससे भी सेल को प्रोटेक्ट करती है सेल वॉल. नेक्स्ट इज सेल टू सेल इंटरैक्शन. Cell to cell interaction means, suppose it is one cell, that is the plant cell, and in the connection of these the another cell is also there, like this. So how the interaction between this first cell takes place in the another? So this also can be due to the cell wall, because the cell wall have the some space in between, that is known as the plasmodesmata, and through these plasmodesmata cell to cell interaction also takes place. So that is the function of the cell wall. It also protect the plant, protect the organisms from the अनडिज़ायरेबल मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स, कि जो अनडिज़ायरेबल मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं सेल के अंदर वो एंटर ना करें, उससे भी प्रोटेक्ट करती है सेल वॉल. सो दीज आर द फंक्शंस. नाउ द कंपोजिशन ऑफ द सेल वॉल. दिस सेल वॉल इज मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट सब्सटेंस इन डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स. सो लाइक इन एल्गी, in case of algae the cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactans, mannose, calcium carbonate. So these are the macromolecules, biomolecules. Cellulose, that is the complex carbohydrate, it is also the reserve food of plants, and algae also belongs to the plants because it is in the group of Thallophyta. After that the plants, in case of plant it is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin and protein. Lignin deposition is also there in case of plants. So in case of plants the different tissues are there like parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. So their cell wall is also different. Cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin or the lignin deposition. In some dead cells there is the deposition of lignin also. So that is the composition of the cell wall. After that, how the cell wall is formed, what are the different component of the cell wall. Here middle lamella is also present, the primary cell wall, the secondary cell wall. So let us discuss the diagram of the cell wall along with the other membrane. Now the types of cell wall. So what type of cell walls are there when the plant is young, and then there is the formation of the secondary cell wall. The middle lamella is also present. So let us discuss with the help of a diagram. So when the plant is young, then the growth of the plant, that is due to the one main cell wall, and that cell wall is the primary cell wall, and this primary cell wall is developed from the cytoplasm of the cell. So we can say here it is the primary cell wall, and here that is known as the middle lamella. So middle lamella is present between the two adjacent cell, and it holds the two cells and it also glue the two cells, and the connection between the two cells, that is also through the middle lamella like this, and this connection is known as plasmodesmata. That is known as plasmodesmata. So the primary cell wall is formed when the plant is young. It is thin and elastic. It develops from the cytoplasm of the cell, and it is just after the middle lamella. And the deposition of suberin, lignin, that is not there in case of the primary cell wall. And primary cell wall, it occurs in the meristematic tissue like the parenchymatous tissue. It contains more proteins. जो प्राइमरी सेल वॉल होगी उसके अंदर जो प्रोटीन्स हैं that are more. Next, the middle lamella. So this middle lamella that is present between the two cells, two adjacent cell, and it is before the primary cell wall, means primary cell wall is just after the middle lamella, and it is made up of calcium pectate, and it holds the two cells. After the primary cell wall, when the plant get mature, then there is the formation of the secondary cell wall, and these secondary cell wall, these are the three layered. On this side also I can write that is the secondary cell wall, secondary cell wall. After that it is primary, then it is the middle lamella. So secondary cell wall, it is developed from primary cell wall. It is thick and inelastic. Primary cell wall is thin and elastic. It is thick and elastic. It is after the primary cell wall, because the primary cell wall is after the middle lamella, but after the primary cell wall, secondary cell wall is present, and proteins are less in the secondary cell wall. The deposition of the suberin, lignin, that is present in the secondary cell wall. After that the plasmodesmata. So if in case of plant, if there is the connection between the two cells, means how the two cells can exchange their substance. So they can exchange their substance through a connection, and that connection is plasmodesmata. That is known as plasmodesmata. So if there is the exchange of the material, that can be done by plasmodesmata. Sometime there are the pores present in the secondary cell wall. जो secondary cell wall होती है उसके अंदर pores present होते हैं, जैसे in case of tracheids and vessels हम लेते हैं. So these pores are known as pits. So we can say the secondary cell wall that is not continuous, and it is absent at some places, and where it is absent at the some places, that place carry the pits. So that is known as the pits. When we draw the diagram of tracheids and vessels in case of plants, then these are the known as the pits. So these pits are due to that when the secondary cell wall is not uniform. So we have discussed the cell wall. So cell wall, that is the outer layer of the cell, and in case of plants, in case of bacteria, algae and fungi, it is present. In case of animal, cell wall is not present. It provides the additional mechanical support to the plant, protect the plant from the adverse condition, from the mechanical injury, from undesirable macromolecules, and due to the high amount of water if takes place in the cell, then it protect the cell from the bursting. Next, the composition. The cell wall is made up of different substance in case of different organisms. In case of algae, the composition is different, like the cellulose, galactans, mannans, and in case of the fungi also it is made up of chitin, bacteria, the mucopolysaccharide, and so in case of different plants and different organisms it is different. Then the types of the cell wall, the primary cell wall that is present initially in the young plant, then it gives rise to the secondary cell wall. Primary cell wall developed from the cytoplasm, and the secondary developed from the primary cell wall. These primary cell wall are of 2 to 3 layers, and these are also protect the plant. The deposition of the suberin, lignin also present in the secondary cell wall. So secondary cell wall as well as the primary cell wall protect the plant. So that is about the cell wall. Thank you.